Hello everybody, this is part 2 on my underwater solar panel experiment, and before I put this together I just thought I would take the time to do a real quick clip on what the inside looks like. So I cut out my glass pane like last time, put down my, I believe to be aluminum frame, and used the silicone too inside, and that's been there for a few days, nice and dry. So I went ahead and cut out another uh, glass pane here to the approximate size as that one. Used my diamond drill bit with water, went ahead and drilled a hole in this one and ran my conductor through there. So what I'm going to do, I cut out these little pieces of PVC and I'm going to place one on each end and fill that up with the silicone too on both sides, and I'm going to put a piece of paper on the inside and go ahead and seal that up, seal out the outside like the last time, and then go ahead and submerge that in the water. So that should be a very good representation of the homemade solar panel, and this will be submerged underwater. I'm thinking probably 2 or 3 days. That should be a good enough experiment. So okay, let me go ahead and use the silicone to seal this guy up, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I went ahead and sealed up my two panes here, ran my wire through, sealed up both ends, the inside and the outside, put PVC there and the silicone too there, and a piece of paper on the inside to detect any water. So this is going to be a 2-day test, and I'm going to go ahead and submerge that in the water. And I don't see any air bubbles. That's definitely a good thing. And I want to show you this one real quick. This is from the first test. I did leave this in water over a month and did not get any water in there whatsoever. So this stuff works really good. The only thing I did notice is that the silicone too on the outside here actually turned gray. So I don't know, maybe it was getting ready to break down or something, or chemical change, I don't know. But anyway, that still worked great. So okay, it's been 24 hours and this has been completely submerged. So I'll take it out here and look at it, and the inside paper is completely dry, so it is still holding its seal, and yeah, it looks good. Looks like it's still completely dry in there. Nothing's wet or anything. Cool. So I will do another 24 hours, and hopefully it remains the same, and that'll be the end of the test. And if that's good, then I'll go ahead and start building these guys. So cool. Okay, day 2. It's been 48 hours since this has been submerged, and go ahead and pull it out. Get the water off it, and it is completely dry on the inside. The paper is completely dry. So this seemed to be a very good experiment. So with drilling the hole through the glass, sealing up both ends, seems to work great. So now I can go ahead from this and go on to my full-scale solar panels, and now I don't have to worry about putting a vapor barrier on the inside, because they should be nice and dry and don't have to worry about condensation getting in there or anything. So cool, very nice experiment. I'm glad it worked out. So okay, thank you for watching this video as always. Take care and God bless.